the hell? Where the hell am I? Wait. Oh, no. Blood mode! Blood mode! Where are you? Damn it. I'm right here. Ow. There you are. Where are we? Unless the area is just being attacked by some randos? I don't know. Oh, jeez. Where are we? Where's Mom and Dad? Wait. Wildfire! What are you doing here? I don't know. I just woke up. What do you think? Yeah, dude, same here. Jesus Christ. Where's our parents? Oh, well, I don't know. We just all got attacked by someone, I guess. I don't know, dude. Ah, shit. Where could they be, specifically? I don't know. All I remember is that we were getting under attack, and then I went incautious, and I bet a lot of you guys too. Now we're here. What is this place? Dad never told me about this place before. Fuck. Like, I could've sworn things were normal, but then some random shit happens. Gosh. Okay, listen, you two. Me and Prism will go and look around. And find out what the hell is going on.
Should we, like, split up, maybe?
Yeah. Since one of us are flightless, well, me and Bloodman are technically flightless birds, well, we only glide. But since one of you guys are flightless, you guys might need to, like, I don't know. We might want to stay on ground. Oh, jeez. Prism, do you have any clear idea what the hell could have happened? Not at all, dude. Oh, I'm hungry. Can you pass me those apples, dude? Sure, I guess. Alright, eat this, and I don't know. God. Wait, I would eat those berries, dude. Well, they're poisonous. So what? Probably just grapes. I would kind of reconsider that, dude, but I think they might be poisonous. Yeah, right. Jeez. Oh, God, where are we, man? Well, dude, I can't blame you there, but I really don't have any idea what the hell happened. Either. Of course, what the hell did I expect? But, dude, don't you kind of think we're a little, overreacting about this crap? I wouldn't say that, but okay. Did you see Hot Coco? No, dude. I hope she's alright, dude. Or if her parents are okay. I don't know. I hope her parents are okay. Same with her. Hey, dude. Do you ever feel like you're being watched sometimes? Not really. Why? I don't know. For some reason, I just feel like we're being watched. And just like you know, I am a bit scopophobic. What? It means a fear of being watched, dude. Have you not studied phobias? The only phobias I've known are claustrophobia and trypophobia. Those are the only phobias I know about. Yeah. Okay.
I feel so tired, bro. Okay, so we just gotta keep on moving. Oh, jeez. What is that?
What the fuck?
Hi. What's up?
Oh, and I tell. What are you guys doing?
We just woke up.
Alright.
I don't know the saying.
Allow me to introduce myself. Yes, you may have heard fairy tales, but I'm a nature raptor.
What? I thought it was just made up. How are you guys real?
Kind of complicated. Kind of weird, isn't it? I guess.
I don't know. Do you know why we're here?
Well, someone wants to see you guys. Hold on, let's get your brother and other friend here.
How do you guys know us? Is there like a history behind that? Ma'am?
Oh yeah, we kind of know everybody. I know, kind of creepy, ain't it?
Did she just eat a fruit?
Aren't you kind of a carnivore? No. No. Come on. Don't keep me waiting. Coming. Alright, dudes. What the hell? Who are you? No, you guys can't. Yes, it is us. I know it's hard to believe, but it's us. Anyway, I'm gonna stay off the topic, but why are we here exactly? What happened to our? Because all we remember is being attacked and getting uncaught. Is that you guys? No, that wasn't. An enemy that we know by the name of what? Darkbone. Oh, I've heard fairy tales of that dude, bro. What happened? Well, he attacked your guys' places. And only that, he attacked a lot of places, to be honest. But the others are safe for now. Oh.
Does that go with Coco?
Yes, she's safe. Same with the other extinct bird that she's with. God damn. However, there was another extinct bird that did try to help us out too, but he died shortly after. I don't remember what type of extinct bird he was, but he did try to help at least. Well, whatever he was, he did, at least we know. As we were trying to save you guys, we did kill an extinct bird named Emo. That sounds weird. Okay. And we got you guys out, but then we lost Darkbone. Like, he teleported out. I never seen this place before. I I don't think anyone mentioned anything about it. It's kind of complicated.
Wait, isn't this kind of like where Clean Hope is or whatever?
Yes, this is. Well, this is a different part of it, actually. So are you, like, back in time or something like that? You could say that. But this isn't back in time. Yeah, dudes, it ain't. It's pretty much like, I don't know how you would say it, dude. Now listen here. We're not here to hurt you, and we're not on the bad side. We're here to help. And we're gonna stop Darkbun for good.
So, do you know how we could stop his ass? I mean, but dang it, I should probably watch my language.
Yeah, I'd probably watch it too. Well, beating him isn't gonna be easy. Just like it wasn't before. It wasn't easy beating him, as you would probably expect. So you two, or four, we're gonna need help from someone who knows a lot. Actually, I think I might know someone. My dad told me about an old vulture who is a sorceress, and she basically knows everything. I don't even know how she's still alive, though. That's interesting.
So, is that Darkwater dude, like, behind this?
No, he's not. Darkbone manipulated him, and he just doesn't know it. So you four, lead us where that weird vulture thing you were talking about is. I don't know if we should trust this dude, man. I mean, do we have a choice? No. Let's just do the damn crap and lead him to that hut. Alright, fine. We'll lead you to... We'll lead you to Mystical's house, and just be sure not to, like, get not that you guys can. Dudes, I can't believe we're doing this. Bear with me here, guys. We've been through things like this before.
What did they say about that stupid ass music?
Mazur, I think this is going too far. Can you turn off the music first?
Yes. I had enough with hearing that stupid Paris music. Ugh, whatever they call it. Mazur, I think this is going too far. First of all, we tried kidnapping a family, and then now we just tore some families apart. That is not awesome. Hell, now they think you're behind this shit. I never heard you swear like that. Ugh. Look, if we don't do shit soon, who knows what will happen. Besides, I'm sick and tired of trying to do this shit. Well, try to convince Darkbone, I guess. I don't know. I'm not having another extinct bird army. Fuck. Why can't your ass just... Mazur. We need to let them free. We can't just keep them like this. Besides, what do you think would happen if we did keep them like this? I don't know. Mazur, I'm going to be talking to Mr. Darkbone right now. And stop calling Mr. in French. It's really annoying. Don't care. Didn't risk. Come on, where are you, son of a bitch? Darkbone. Mazur. I think we're going to a little too far. Where are you? Come on. Mazur. I think this is going a little too far. We can't keep doing this. Why should we not? Plus, we don't need the other little kids or even those stupid other parents. It's not like we need them anyway. All except, I just need those elemental birds to get their powers. Listen, I did not sign up for this. Kidnapping, isolating homes, and basically doing this bullshit. Eesh, I never heard you swear. Listen, if we don't let them go, then then what will that make you feel like, huh? What would happen if someone tried to kidnap your family? What if I was the kidnapper, and you had a family, and I kidnapped them? What would you do? Oh, really? I would kill you, probably. But either way, I'd hunt you down like a hungry wild eagle trying to look for prey. How pathetic is that? Maybe rethink your choices. Because doing this isn't a good idea. You know what? If you don't want to do this bullshit, you could just leave. For all I care, I don't even need you. I didn't need emo or that weird other thing that I don't even know the name of. Or I don't need you. Especially that velociraptor that escaped too. Mazur, this could be a bad pass for you. But I will tell you this will be the funeral for you if this does happen. Fuck you. I will not let anyone take this away from me. And when I finally kill them, no one will ever be able to stop me again. You know what, Mazur? I'm leaving this place, whether you like it or not. Fine, I don't give a fucking shit. Besides, I never liked your stupid French music anyway, so I don't need to listen to it 24/7. Goodbye, Mazur Darkbone. Hopefully you have a change in, how should I say this, heart. If you don't, then you deserve to die and go to hell. Oh wow, so this is the part that someone told me about. Oh wow. Well hello there, partner. Yeah, someone I haven't seen before. Who are you? Nah, I don't think I know my name. Don't worry. How about I give you a new one since you don't remember yours? I guess. guess, I don't know. Very well, then. So, well, you look like... How about I call you... No, I was gonna call you Thunderwing, but no, there's already someone named Thunderwing. God damn it. I don't know, just call me Thunderstorm, actually. Thunderstorm, that's a good one, mate. Excuse me. So, partner, what you doing here? You looking for a drink? Yes, I guess. I don't know. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm gonna probably lose it. Nah, don't worry. We all lose it. Now, I've never seen anything like you. Just grab me anything, I guess. I don't care. Alright, well then. Alright, there's your thing. Thanks, I guess. Yeah. Oh, what? Okay, so what is that? Oh, I call it tequila. Oh, what? Say that again? Tequila? You must be new here, since a lot of you extinct birds don't even know what new drinks are nowadays. I mean, no kidding. Like, extinct crap didn't even exist during their time. Yeah, sure. God, tequila's such a weird name. Ow. Whatever, it doesn't matter, just... Do you know any directions or where I could stay at least? Yes, I do actually know a place where you could stay, in fact. My buddy Charles, he owns a hotel, so he can stay there. I would say I have a hotel myself, but nah, I don't. And it's just my own kind of thing. Besides, me and Charles didn't used to get along back then, but then we met each other, so we're fine. Good to know, I guess. Thanks for directions, I guess. Anytime, partner. Yeah, sure. Do you mind if I change the music? Yeah, everyone usually hates the music. Yes, I love this one usually. Oh, yeah, you're welcome, I guess. I don't know. Gosh, where the hell am I? How long has it been? Why was I even... Oh, God, I've been feeling so itchy all of a sudden ever since. Whatever. I'm gonna go into this goddamn hotel everyone likes. Welcome to the hotel, partner. What can I... Ooh. I've never seen you before. You're one of those extinct birds, aren't you? Yeah, what? You mean... that... aren't you... fuck. I'm just confused on where I am. Seriously, just... Ooh, give me that. Sorry. Anyway, didn't mean to be so gross. Do you think I could stay here, at least for now? Yes. What is that? Oh, it looks like another customer is coming. Well, I could get you a room. So, I have a couple of rooms, so you might wanna, usually no one comes here. Usually I think of, like, shutting this place down. But, since you don't have any place to go, luckily you came to the right place, mate. So, yeah, enjoy your stay. Thanks, I guess. Oh, fuck. What is wrong with me?
What was the last thing I remember? You know what? Fuck it. I don't even want. I don't even want to argue. Well, hello, partner. So, what brings it around these parts? Hello. So, I need somewhere to stay. Very well. That's probably be the list customer for the day. You need anything? I need some place to stay, like I said. Like a room, or however you'd like to call it. Right. Sure. I guess. So what do you need help with? I need to talk with someone. So you speak French. Well, I hate to break it to you, partner, but I don't speak French. I speak a bit of French, just to let you know. Now, listen here, okay? I just need some help here. And I need to talk to someone. Is it that velociraptor thing you just came here? Well, you might want to let her Reyes partner. You don't want to, like, wake her up on a bad time of the night. Just let me stay here, at least, please. Alright. Well, she might be in the bar in the morning, so, yeah. Usually, like, when I have customers like that, partner, I will usually, they'll usually just go to the bar in the morning just to get a little breakfast and a wake-up drink kind of thing. Thank you, Mother. I will go see her tomorrow.